My name is Rebecca Zung, and I am an attorney by trade. I give people skills and resources so that they can negotiate their best lives. My law practice had really kind of taken over my life. And so I knew I wanted to do something different, but I wasn't exactly sure what that was going to look like. Yeah, I always say I built my practice and then it ate me. Like I knew that I wanted to be the top in my industry, which I had achieved. So I was like, okay, I wanted to be the top family law practitioner in South Florida, which I had achieved. But I wanted freedom in my life, but I could never achieve it. So I hired more associates, I hired more paralegals, but what I found was that actually was more time consuming for me because I had to now oversee their work. And so and what I found in the family law industry actually was that because it was so personal and I was doing high net worth family law, that my clients really wanted me. And so, it really didn't, I never achieved the freedom that I really wanted. And my daughter was just starting high school at the time. And so, um, I was really starting to feel this pull that, oh my gosh, she's going to be leaving in 4 years, and I really wanted to spend more time with her. And I started to have this like, oh no, what am I going to do? And so I thought I have to do something different. In January of 2020, I did that one video, and I was literally getting like 20 views a video. By January of 2021, I had over 100,000 subscribers, and I had made $1.1 million on that one $500 course. I would say on that one $500 course, I've definitely made more than $5 million on that $500 course, easily. Authority Accelerator, it's a really, really, really great program. I highly recommend it. I have recommended her program 1,000 times to many people. The only thing I would say about it is the same thing I say about my own program, quite frankly. And that is, don't do it unless you're willing to work. None of these programs work unless you're willing to work them. The problem with these programs is that a lot of people expect like, oh, I'm just going to like sign up for these programs and then they're just going to like miraculously work for me. But you have to do the work. The reason why it worked for me is because I did everything that she said to do. I mean, literally, I did everything she said to do.